So we've got your red lipstick on. I'm going to let you have a little look at that. Perfect. And when you're popping your blusher on, as opposed to putting it at the front of your face, you want to work it from kind of where the edge of your eye is, and take it up towards your temples, and it gives you a nice bit of like a contour look. I'm going to pop a nice bit of mascara on. So this is called Extended Play.
Okay.
So it's got carbon pigment in, so it's extra black. So it's going to give you those nice, amazing lashes. The compact itself is called the MAC Multi. So for £28 today you get all of the products that you're interested in. So you get those 4 products. So you get your powder, your blusher, your mascara and your lipstick for topping up as well. But in the future, like I suggested before, you can buy MAC Minis and that fills up into the MAC Multi. They start from £4.99 to £6.99. So it's a great way of just topping up things that you use more regularly, like your mascara and things like that. How does that sound?
That sounds brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Lovely. Do you want to follow me and we'll do that for you today?